Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3751, total waviness of numbers in range I. LeetCode problem number 3751, total waviness of numbers in range I. You are given two integers number 1 and number 2 that describe an inclusive range of integers. For any integer, the waviness is the total number of peak and valley digits in its decimal representation. A digit is a peak when it is strictly greater than both of its immediate neighbors, and a valley when it is strictly less than both of its immediate neighbors. The first and last digits never count, and any number with fewer than 3 digits has a waviness of 0. Return the sum of waviness across every integer from number 1 to number 2 inclusive. For example, given number 1 equals 120, number 2 equals 130, the expected output is 3. The most direct approach is plain simulation. We loop over every integer from number 1 to number 2, convert it into a string of digits, and walk every interior position. At each interior position we compare the digit to both of its neighbors and add 1 to the answer when the middle digit is strictly greater than both, which is a peak, or strictly less than both, which is a valley. We sum these contributions across all numbers in the range. This is correct, and since the range is at most 100,000 and each number has at most 6 digits, it finishes in time, but allocating a fresh string per number wastes work. The complexity here is O, number 2, number 1 plus 1, asterisk D, time, O, D, space. We keep the per number loop but avoid building a string for every integer. For each number we slide a window of 3 consecutive digits using arithmetic. We pull out the last digit with mod 10 and shift the window down by integer dividing by 10, repeating until the number is gone. As soon as we have 3 digits in the window, we check whether the middle digit is a strict peak or valley relative to the 2 on either side, and if so, we add 1 to the answer. This visits each digit of each number exactly once with constant extra space per number, and it sets up the digit dynamic programming idea needed for the harder version of this problem. The complexity here is O, number 2, number 1 plus 1, asterisk D, time, O, 1, space. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.